Well, hi there everyone, this is Beth. I'm here with a new light setup, so I'm hoping it's working for everybody. All right, I'm gonna just talk about one of my favorite basic layouts that sometimes I put together and then just wait for the perfect photos to go in there. I had some very bright and bold paper that I really like. But I didn't want it to fight with my photos. So I just took 1.25 inch, strip it across the top, found some goodies to decorate it, found a title, and I love it. It's just very simple. A couple of hints that might be interesting for this are when I do a title like this, I like to put the letters down with temporary tape, so I can move them around or just skip them if I don't like them with the pictures that I'm going to use. This is put on a white daisy piece of background paper, and I used a black shimmer pen and shimmer brush. Shimmer brush and fleck some black on there just to give it a little bit of interest. I wonder if it would be good to pop these up like that, so you can see the dimension of them, right? It's simply a matter of taking my bone folder and messing with them. It just gives it a little dimension. The next thing I wanted to point out is just a few other layouts I've done with this most basic layout. There it is again. The stripes in the top, stripes in the bottom. I limited the use of this bright paper by using a small piece of it. There's another bright one that I've done the same thing with, just not going to show it to you right now. Okay, we have that one, and now this is again. What's going to be interesting here is when I put my poppies with it. I think it's going to be great. And I found some wonderful gray mats, charcoal-ish gray, that had a different color on the other side. I always make it so I can tuck things under these embellishments, so they could go either way. Kind of nice. That could slide up, that could encroach a little bit. All right. I did create a journal box that could go here or here if you needed more picture space. The other thing, watch this. Okay, I made a pocket in here. It's optional if you look at this in my Etsy store. But by taking a 4x4 inch, actually it's 3x4 inch pocket. This is one from close to my heart, and we call them flip flaps. So what I do is take the pocket, hide it under there. In this case, I wanted it pretty close to the bottom of the paper. Then I'm able to tape that back down again. I attach the flip flap right there, and then it's just easy to tuck in a few things. A couple of other design elements that I wanted to show you is this use of narrow strips of black glitter paper. This is cut less than 1/8 of an inch. This one is 1/4 of an inch. It is available on my Etsy shop, or you can get the measurements. They'll be in the description below. What I did here. Okay? Happy scrapping!